Are you tired of dealing with bad breath? If you nodded your head, you're not alone. Bad breath or halitosis can be more than just an embarrassing symptom of a garlic-rich dinner. It can affect your confidence, social interactions, and even your personal relationships. But worry not, nature has given us an abundance of remedies to tackle this problem. These are tips, and not medical advice. From the herbs in your kitchen to the fruits in your basket, simple, natural solutions are within your reach. So let's talk about these remedies, ones that you can easily incorporate into your daily routine. In this video, we will guide you through 10 effective home remedies that can help you banish bad breath, enhance your oral health, and boost your confidence. So, buckle up and prepare to say goodbye to bad breath for good. Stay with us as we take you through 10 effective home remedies for banishing bad breath. Our first remedy is a refreshing herbal tea rinse. Fresh herbs like mint, parsley, and basil are loaded with natural compounds that can combat bad breath. To prepare, simply brew a cup of herbal tea with these herbs and allow it to cool. Once cooled, use this herbal concoction as a rinse. Gargle with it for about 30 seconds to a minute. This helps to freshen up your breath instantly, providing a natural solution to your halitosis concerns. Gargling with slightly hot, ordinary water morning before bedtime sanitizes the mouth. That's a simple yet effective way to freshen up your breath. Next up, we have a citrusy solution for your bad breath. Lemons, rich in vitamin C and boasting natural antibacterial properties, are excellent at eliminating odor-causing bacteria. To prepare lemon water, simply squeeze the juice of half a lemon into a glass of water. Consuming this refreshing beverage first thing in the morning not only boosts your vitamin intake, but also helps to maintain oral health. So why wait? Start your day with a glass of lemon water for a fresh breath. Our third remedy is a delicious yogurt. This creamy delight is not just a tasty snack, it's also packed with probiotics. These are beneficial bacteria that can help balance the microflora in your mouth, effectively reducing the presence of bad breath-causing bacteria. Plus, yogurt is easy to incorporate into your diet. You can have it for breakfast, as a snack, or even as a dessert. Remember, it's best to opt for plain, unsweetened yogurt to get the maximum benefits. Enjoy a serving of plain yogurt daily to keep bad breath at bay. Ever thought of eating your way to fresh breath? Crunchy fruits and vegetables like celery, carrots, and apples are not only packed with essential nutrients, but they also serve as natural toothbrushes. As you munch on these crunchy delights, they scrape away plaque and food particles that often lead to bad breath. Not to mention, they stimulate saliva production, which is nature's own mouthwash. So next time you're looking for a quick breath freshener, reach for a crunchy snack. Snack on these crunchy treats throughout the day to keep your breath fresh. Our next remedy is a pantry staple apple cider vinegar. This versatile ingredient packs a punch with its antimicrobial properties, making it an effective solution for bad breath. Here's how to use it. Mix 1 tablespoon of apple cider vinegar into a cup of water. Swish this solution around your mouth for about 30 seconds, then spit it out. It's that simple. This natural mouth rinse helps kill bacteria and neutralize odors, leaving your breath fresher. A simple apple cider vinegar rinse can do wonders for your oral health. Ever heard of the ancient Ayurvedic practice of oil pulling? This fascinating technique involves swishing oil, particularly coconut oil, around in your mouth. As you swish, the oil attracts and binds with bacteria, toxins, and even plaque. After about 15 to 20 minutes of pulling and pushing the oil through your teeth, you spit it out, taking all those nasties with it. Not only does oil pulling promote better oral health, but it also leaves your mouth feeling fresh. Try oil pulling with coconut oil for a naturally fresh breath. Remember, your tongue needs cleaning too. Often overlooked, your tongue is a breeding ground for bacteria that can lead to bad breath. The solution? A tongue scraper. This simple tool is designed to remove bacteria and food debris from the surface of your tongue. Incorporating this into your daily oral care routine can significantly improve your breath and overall oral health. It's easy to use. Just gently scrape your tongue from back to front to keep it clean and fresh. Our 9th remedy is as simple as it gets. Drink water. Hydration plays a vital role in maintaining oral health and freshness of breath. A dry mouth is a breeding ground for odor-causing bacteria. Staying hydrated helps maintain a healthy saliva flow, which is nature's built-in mouthwash. It assists in washing away food particles and bacteria, the main culprits behind bad breath. So, keep a water bottle handy and make a habit of sipping throughout the day. Drinking plenty of water throughout the day helps keep your breath fresh. Last but not least, don't forget to floss. This simple yet often overlooked oral hygiene practice plays a crucial role in maintaining fresh breath. When food particles get trapped between your teeth, they can start to decay, leading to unpleasant odors. Flossing helps to remove these pesky particles, reducing the risk of bad breath. It's not just about brushing, folks. Flossing completes the oral care routine, reaching the crevices where your toothbrush can't. Regular flossing is key to maintaining fresh breath. So there you have it, 10 simple home remedies for bad breath. From sipping herbal tea to practicing oil pulling, these methods offer easy and natural ways to keep your breath fresh. Remember, the key to maintaining good oral hygiene isn't just brushing and flossing, although those are crucial too. It's also about what you eat and drink, staying hydrated, and giving your tongue the attention it deserves. These remedies can help you combat bad breath, but it's essential to note that if your bad breath persists, it might be a sign of other health issues. It's always wise to consult with your healthcare provider or dentist if you're concerned about your oral health. As we wrap up, let's remind ourselves that maintaining fresh breath is part of our overall well-being. It's not just about avoiding embarrassment, but also about taking care of our health. Remember, a fresh breath is just a few simple steps away. Please hit the like and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.